Hello everyone, this is Nilima and today's video is about ions. What are ions? Ions are positively or negatively charged molecule. Okay, in any atom, number of proton is equal to number of electrons. Okay, and in my previous video, I told you about valence electrons. They are the number of electrons present in the outermost energy level of an atom. Like for this sodium, the valence electron is 1. For lithium also the valence electron is 1. Since the in outermost energy level only one electron is present in sodium, and for lithium also the one electron is present. Okay. In my previous video of electronic configuration, I told you how to write the electronic configuration and the number of maximum electrons which an shell can accommodate. Like for the first one, the first shell, this one, 2 electrons can be accommodated. For second it is 8, for third it is 8. But here it is only 1. So the valence electron is 1. So the maximum number of electron this third shell can accommodate it 8, but it has only 1 electron. So the atom is not stable. Atom not stable. Atom or element is stable if the outer energy level of electrons is full. This outer energy level is full. So this time the sodium atom is not stable. Now some element, okay, they achieve their full outer energy level by losing or gaining electrons. Okay. Now what happens when they lose or gain electrons? As the number of protons is equal to number of electrons in an atom, okay, so there is a balance. If they lose electron or gain electron, this balance does not exist and the atom become charged, okay, and this charged atom is called ion. For example, when this sodium atom loses this outermost electron, this valence electron, what happened? The number of proton is equal to 11, but the number of electron is equal to 10. They are positively charged and they are negatively charged. So when you sum it, 11 plus minus 10. So the charge on the ion will plus 1. So how you will write? Na plus. So this is an ion of sodium atom. Okay. And this is more stable than the sodium, this ion, because now the outermost shell, which is this, has the full electrons. In both the cases, if you take the example of lithium also, it loses one electron to gain the stability. Okay. So lithium also, you can write lithium as Li plus. Since both are losing one electron, so we write only the symbol plus and not the number 1 plus like this. Okay. Now take the example of chlorine, where the atom gain electron to become stable. Okay. Chlorine has the atomic number of 70. So let's see. In the first shell only two electrons. First shell can hold only 2 electrons. Second shell can hold 8 electrons. Third also can hold 8. But 2 plus 8, 10. Now only 7 electrons are remaining. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. But this third shell can accommodate 8 electrons. Okay, so 1 electron is still left to gain the stability or to fill the outermost energy level. So this can gain electrons to become stable. So chlorine has 17 protons remaining, and if it gains one, the number of electrons will be 18. Okay, since the 17 electrons are already there, to become stable it gain 1 electrons and it will become 18 minus, since electrons are negatively charged, and if you sum it you will get minus 1. So to write chlorine ion, there is a minus sign. The negatively charged ion are called anion, and the positively charged ion are called cation. That's all for today. In the coming video, I will tell you how to write the electronic configuration for the ions. I already told you how to write the electronic configuration for an atom. Now I will tell you how to write the electronic configuration for an ion. That's all for today. Thank you. Keep watching my channel and please comment if you like my video.